Okay, so here is our last example. We are going to be finding the area of this intersection, basically. It is an intersection. So the first thing we need to do when we do these problems is we need to find the semi-perimeter. Okay, so that's going to be the S. S is 1/2 times A plus B plus C. That's the first thing we need to do when we solve this problem. So that is 1/2, 170 plus 240 plus 350. And our S is, there's equal sign, 380. Now we can use that and use our formula. I'll rewrite the formula over here. The area is the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. And I ran out of there. Okay, so now we need to go ahead and plug all our pieces in. So let me draw a line. So the square root of 380 times, excuse my cat, he is playing on paper. 380 minus 170. Obviously, order doesn't matter in this case. They are all being multiplied together, so I'm just grabbing each side as I listed them above. 380 minus 240 and 380, minus 350. Close those parentheses. I would encourage you guys to limit these down, simplify them. So 380, so that's 210. That's 140 and 30. And then multiply them together and take the square root. And that gives us 18,307.4, and that is yards squared because we are finding the area. All right, that is it for this problem, and there you go. And if you were wondering what that paper sound was, that was my cat. And now you have a photo of him exactly what he was doing forever in this video. So enjoy.